All right, we are shooting PRG today. I'm shooting concealed again. Haven't run the Glock in a while, but
just like
we'll
we
see
were
how it
raised
goes.
on.
Wrist of both. Are you ready? Stand by. If you're finished on low show clear, I see clear, hammer down. Holster. Range is clear.
Almost missed that one.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. If you're finished on low show clear, I see clear, hammer down. Holster. Range is clear. 2459.
That was fast as hell.
I was trying to be aggressive.
Fucking ricochet got me.
Oh shit, my bad, dude. I'm sorry.
It's not your fault.
I know.
I'm bleeding.
He's like, what the fuck? Finish, unload, show clear. It's clear, hammer, holster.
Stand by. If you're finished on low show clear, I see clear, hammer down. Holster.
I don't know why I did that. I went doot doot doot.
Huh?
I went 1 2 1 2.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, what the fuck?
Stand by.
Fuck. Fuck. Fucking shit.
If you're finished on low show clear, I see clear, hammer down. Holster.
Fuck.
Range is clear.
That still didn't fall.
If you're finished on low show clear, I see clear, hammer down. Holster. Range is clear.
Woo.
Stand by.
Fuck.
If you're finished on low show clear, I see clear, hammer down. Holster. Hammer down. Holster. What happened?
A round went into my...
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Wait, I think we're okay. It went into my pants.
Range is clear. Hot.
Oh shit. Oh. Yeah, I'm good.
Good. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Stand by.
Fuck. Oh shit.
If you're finished on low show clear, I see clear, hammer down, holster. Range is clear, 1594.
Today's matches were like, the stages were super hard. I don't think I got above 5.5 hit factor, but based on looking at the tablet, everyone else's scores were pretty around the same range, so hopefully we did good. But I am running concealed. So if you guys enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.